Hey my loves, welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. I done filmed this like 4 times at the beginning. Hey my loves, welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. And today on Women 50 and Beyond, we are in my sewing area. So this is the sewing edition. So with that being said, before we get started, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. And I would love to say welcome back to my channel for the OGs. If you are new, leave a comment down below how you found my channel. And I will appreciate if you all will comment, like, and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. That way you will be notified when Tara uploads. This is, like I said, the sewing edition. I think I'm going to call it something else, but it's a series for the sewing. This is my sewing area. And I would love to say thank you to Walmart for this video. I am doing a sewing area makeover. Yes, a sewing area makeover. This is too cluttered for me. I would like for this to be out further so I can go around the table when I'm cutting or whatever. It's going to be a lot different changes. Going to look totally different here. Over here, I think this is the thought. I have not really blueprinted out yet. Over here, being that I'm left-handed, there will be the sewing machine and my serger over here. I'm gonna put the thread and all that, this thing here in this area, in this